Hi everybody, this is Ranger Poole from Parker River National Wildlife Refuge, and I'd like to introduce the next in our series of short videos that are designed to show you how a smartphone can be your best friend when you're out in nature. So in this little video, I'm going to introduce another free app called Merlin. Merlin is a bird identification app that again is free and is offered by the Cornell Lab of Ornithology. So I'll take the next couple of minutes using some slides and examples to show you how to use this free app, Merlin, to identify all manner of birds that you'll experience both here at Parker River National Wildlife Refuge as well as pretty much anywhere else as long as you're outdoors.
To hit the road running with Merlin, you first need to download the app to your smartphone, either from the Apple App Store or from Google Play. Again, the app is totally free. Once you install and open the app, it will prompt you to also download a bird pack, which is essentially a data set of bird species that can be found in your area. Each bird pack contains photos, bird songs, range maps, and a wealth of other species-specific information. And it's all free. There are two ways that Merlin can help you to identify a bird. If you click here, Merlin will ask you 5 simple questions and then suggest a handful of possible matches. If you click here, Merlin will attempt to identify the species from a photo you take or bring in from the smartphone's camera roll or image gallery. Let's try to identify a bird by answering the 5 questions. Where did you see the bird? Here you can type in the zip code, name of location, for example a town, or simply click on Current Location. When ready, click on Next. When did you see the bird? Actually, this question is even easier. When ready, click on Next. How big was the bird? Was it really small, like a chickadee? Or was it really large, like a Canada goose? Select the silhouette that best approximates the size of the bird that you saw. Then, when ready, click Next. What were the main colors? Identify the main colors of the bird. You can select up to 3 colors. When ready, click on Next. Where was the bird when you observed it, and what was it doing? When ready, click on Next. So in my example, the bird I observed was robin-sized, had significant red and rufous coloring on it, and was walking around on the grass. Given that information, Merlin suggested some potential matches. Bingo! I was looking at an American robin. Now, let's use a photograph to identify a bird. Again, you have 2 options. Take a photo using your smartphone's camera app or bring in a photo stored on your smartphone. Simply follow the prompts and Merlin will suggest possible matches. It's that simple. Because I'm making this video tutorial indoors and don't have immediate access to a live bird, let's use this lifelike carving and see what Merlin can do. After snapping the photo, Merlin directs you to zoom in, using your fingers to fill the box with a bird. When ready, click on Next. Next, you're asked to confirm where and when you saw the bird. If you don't know, simply click on I don't know. When ready, click on Identify. Voila! Merlin correctly identifies the bird as a piping plover. Rather than actually taking a photo, you can import an existing photo from your smartphone's image gallery or camera roll and follow the same steps to identify the bird. How cool is that? There you have it. a quick overview of how to use Merlin to identify the birds you encounter. This free app is fun and easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and enjoy the world of birds.